It means that individuals within the organisation can wear more than one hat, which therefore reduces the overhead of staff that we bring in. My name's Ray Dodd. I'm the General Manager at On Systems. I've been with the company now 6 months, a little over 6 months. I came in to support with quality and business transformation. I'm now in the position of General Manager after a very short period of time. And On Systems as a company, we provide power supply solutions, a wide variety of power supply solutions with a very agile design and development approach to how we do our business. So the different suite of tools that we bring in and the way that we work is optimised so that we can deliver the shortest development lead time to our customers, which is what stands us out and is definitely our crown jewels within the organisation. Myself and the rest of the management team, we sat down and we went through a goal question metric activity to understand what 3 pillars we wanted to focus on for the rest of the year. What we noticed quite quickly was that if we actually lifted the lid on Flowlens and really took the time to understand it and work out how we were using it, how we wanted to use it, and work in collaboration with Flowlens to help shape that environment in the best possible way, that actually it would address all 3 pillars for us in some way, shape or form. So at 9 o'clock every day we're using the performance from Flowlens to determine at the 9 o'clock stand-up meetings with the workforce what the focus needs to be today and whether we need to take any recovery action. A lot of the reporting we do is extracted from Flowlens. We have been using templates within Flowlens under the forms area and created workflow forms for, say, corrective action being a really good one. So a supplier, we need to issue a corrective action on them. We just generate the form against the supplier, automatically email it through Flowlens from sales, design, development, full engineering, mechanical and electrical, operational planning, operational execution, delivery to the customer, management of any deviation from standard thereafter is now all being done from the Flowlens system. We're seeing that we have much better reaction times with our customers. We have better visibility. We've seen that we can issue quotes a lot quicker, all from that single repository, i.e. Flowlens. And because it's so integrated, a lot of our staff who work remotely, the work is just flowing round that life cycle and maturing around that life cycle. So where a production technician lead will be able to take something in a goods inwards and process it right the way through. So we don't need somebody else in goods inwards, so I don't need now a material planner sat down full time. So in overhead reduction, it's not giving us an overhead reduction, it's cost avoidance. So we've really used Flowlens, but the overall transformation program to On Systems us, to truly On Systems, On Systems us, strip back everything that's gone before, keep the best nuggets, the bits we take out of the recycle bin, get them into Flowlens. So for other businesses thinking about implementing ERP or replacing or upgrading their ERP system, Flowlens will be good for any business really, because it is so well integrated. It is so easy to use, it's cloud-based. You've got confidence in the data being stored where they say it's going to be stored, how can we retrieve, nothing's hidden. And that gives us a great deal of confidence. So for me, I've used many other ERP tools, but Flowlens by far, for me personally, is probably one of the most agile, mature operating systems in a cloud-based environment that ticks so many boxes when it comes to that virtual working, to that workflow, ease of workflow and everything else that comes with it and all the other benefits it brings, everything you need, all against that asset number. It's very powerful.